Hello everyone. Now we just continue with the concept of functions we have discussed in the last class. Uh, in a function, so there are two types of functions, one onto and a bisective function. When we say one function, when we say onto function, when we say it is a bisective function, all that we have discussed in the last class. Yes, one function mathematical definition also I gave. Onto function mathematical definition to understand the concepts also. And what is bisective? A function, if it is one onto, it is called a bisective function. Now we'll discuss about the continuation of the last class. In the question number 2, we have done 3 bits, and the fourth one is f is from n to n. F of x is defined as x cube. This is first, that it is a fourth one, and is also defined from z to z. F of x is equal to x cube. We have to check the injectivity and surjectivity. Injectivity is also the name for 1. Injectivity or the surjectivity. Injectivity is the name for the 1. Surjectivity is the another name for the onto function. x1 comma x2 belongs to capital N, that it is a domain. If I take any elements from the domain, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. Since they are the natural numbers, so we get x1 must be equal to x2. So therefore f is injective. So it is a definition of 1 function. Next, surjective. Surjectivity. For this we take an element. For example, what is a surjective, what is onto function? All the elements of a codomain are the images. What is the, for example, codomain contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, natural numbers. Cube of which number? Cube of which number is 2? Cube of which number is 3? Cube of which number is 4? Like that. So cube of any natural number is not 2, 3, 4 like that. So therefore we can say there exists an element. So let 2 belongs to natural number, that it is codomain. 2 is an element of a codomain, but there does not exist any corresponding element, that is any element in capital N, that it is a domain such that f of x is equal to 2. Means cube of any number is not 2. Cube of any natural number is not 2. So therefore there does not exist. By this we can say f is not surjective or not onto. F is not surjective. Similarly, we can go for the fifth case, that it is f from z to z, it is defined as z to z, and f of x is equal to x cube. F of x is equal to x cube. F is defined from z to z for 1 function. 1 is also called injective. If I take same thing, it is what repeated. The same thing has to be written here, because a set of natural numbers, so set of integers will be the same for the cube, because a negative cube is negative, positive cube is positive. So x1 comma x2 belongs to z, it is a domain. If I take an elements from the domain, now if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, f of x1 will be x1 cube, x2 cube. x1 cube, x2 cube can also be written as x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is onto, sorry, 1 1. F is 1 1. Now we check the case for the onto. Onto is also called, it is a surjective function. So here I take the same elements because cube of any integer is also not 2. Cube of any integer, so that it is also not 2. So I take the same example to remember the things easily. So it is in a codomain, but there does not exist any element x. There does not exist any element x in Z domain such that f of x is equal to 2. Means cube of any integer is not 2. So, but 2 is present in the integer set, in the codomain set. It is not an image of. So, what is a onto function? All the elements of a codomain are the images. Means codomain if it is not equal to range. Codomain if it is not, range means set of second elements. Set of images is called a range. But 2 is not the image of any element, so we can say it is not onto function. F is not onto. Now we discuss about question number 3. So it is a greatest integer function. F is defined from R to R, and f of x is defined as greatest integer x. For this we have to prove that it is neither 1 1 nor onto function. As for this we have to prove that it is neither 1 1 nor onto function. For 1 1 please. See, greatest integer function that we have studied in the first years in functions. What is the property of the greatest integer? What is the definition of a greatest integer? As greatest integer function is like, the definition is an integral value less than or equal to given value. For example, greatest integer of, if I take f of 1.1, that it is greatest integer of 1.1 is 1. F of 1.2, if I take greatest integer of 1.2 is also 1. That it is like this, f of 1.1 is equal to f of 1.2, but 1.1 not equal to 1.2. This is enough for saying that. So it is the only one definition. So we can give many examples. So it is the only one example just I give, but it is not only the example, we can give other examples also, like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 2.1, 2.2, many examples. F is not 1 1. Next for onto. See, very simple thing in onto. What happens by the definition of a greatest integer function? So for any input, the output is always the set of integers. Means range is a set of integer, but the codomain is a set of real numbers. So it is enough for saying that. So here we can say a range of the function is set of integers, codomain is set of real numbers. So with this we can conclude a range is not equal to codomain. If range is not equal to codomain, it is enough for saying that f is not onto. F is neither 1 1, therefore f is neither 1 1 nor onto. F is neither 1 1 nor onto function.